I've always pursued some type of athletics, and I just got to where I was in constant pain all the time, and I quit running, and it was getting to where being a substitute teacher, being on my feet all day, walking up and down stairs, it didn't seem to matter what I did. I could not get rid of the pain, and I thought, okay, it's time to do something.
She was actually my 5th and 6th grade physical ed teacher in elementary school. A few years ago, through social media, we somehow got connected. It turned out her knee was severely degenerative with pretty severe osteoarthritis. She was bone on bone. She had these large osteophytes, just really an end stage type of knee that she's been active on for a long time.
I told him, I'm your mother's age or older, so tell me what you would tell her. And that's when he said to me, you took care of me, now let me take care of you. And I mean, it melted my heart, and it made me think it's time to do something. I feel totally confident and safe.
She moved pretty quickly to wanting, very interested in the robotic total knee replacement that we do here at Medical City Lewisville, which is a robotic arm that actually positions our blocks for us to make our cuts so that we make them extremely accurate. It makes for a much faster recovery.
I'm truly thrilled and blessed that I was led to make these choices in my welfare and my medical care. I felt safe, I felt well cared for.
Our commitment to every patient is to meet them where they're at in their journey. Our goal is to help each patient regain mobility that lost through degenerative disease or injury as quickly and as safely as possible.
Her whole life has been dedicated to her being active and kind of guiding children to be active, so it was nice to be able to kind of get her back to that active lifestyle, and she's definitely doing everything she can to enjoy it.
I have all those memories of her in class and running and making us run laps and doing all these things. And so I just wanted to say how, thank you for trusting us to take care of your knee. So.
Great student.